What is good? Woke up a bit late. Didn't do the recap first thing after I took these trades. Oh fuck! I'm not even showing my screen. Bang. Bang. Alrighty. So I didn't. I just forward tested today because it was a bank holiday, so I didn't want to risk capital. But price action was really clean. So yeah, I just back tested 3 trades. All these ones I thought were really good. First one was right off open. We had these lows here. I was initially thinking bullish, but since we showed so much just pressure down, it's like yeah, I knew those S and Ts weren't gonna hold, and we had like a higher time frame draw, which was this opening gap that we tapped like a previous week opening gap all the way here. You can see the gap in price there. This sort of opening gap. That's what we went to. We tapped that fucking perfectly, and then we got the bullish moving up. But in terms of the trade I took, the short, it was simply just we have this low here. We wicked it pre-market like a couple minutes before open, and then we had a strong displacement below, big wick up rebalance, and we closed red. So just enter off that, and I just targeted the other draws and liquidity, and that would have hit. But I didn't take it because it's a bank holiday, and I just wasn't comfortable putting money on the table. So second trade was off this opening gap tap and just initial displacement up above these highs. You could have entered there. If I really wanted to take this trade, I would have waited for a rebalance, but we just didn't get that shit. We got a rebalance up here, and there's another trade here. But yeah, this was this one. Also really clean, targeting an unfilled 5 minute. And the other one was, a continuous bullish movement up, a fill of this 5 minute, which is this grey box here. A fill of this 5 minute, and then we had a little rebalance into the CE of the 5 minute, like that we've inversed, and this fair value gap here. And we just get crazy displacement up, discretionary entry just somewhere here, targeting open high, would have smacked that as well. But as you can see, it's all like really small, like 15 points, and it's like 17 and 14. Really, yeah, 13 and 24. Like, the range was really small today. So there was just no volatility, but price action was really clean. So, it does suck. I could have caught some good moves, but I am very happy with myself because I'm sticking to my rules. Like, I'm not getting mad and, taking dumb trades because I missed out on good entries. I forward tested, I mapped out good entries, and I won the forward tests, which I'm happy about. Yeah, I'm really happy with how I took this day and didn't trade and actually stuck to my rules and just watched price action develop. And that's a really good skill to have, just watching price move and watching your setup play out and just not taking the trade because I don't care about the outcome anymore. I'm purely focused on the process of taking good trades and doing all that. So I'm very happy with what I did. But yeah, that's that. That's for today. Tuesday. Let's just have a quick look together. What am I expecting on Tuesday? Let's get rid of all these lines. So we formed a new S&T. Yeah, we're just going up. I honestly think so. We have this higher time from S&T. We got like a higher time frame resweep, you could say, and we tap this opening gap. And we're going up. So I feel like this opening gap is the main draw on liquidity for the week. Definitely this crazy unfilled opening gap, weekly opening gap, which is like that always gets hit, and we can either see a rejection off of it. So it's either have these equal highs here. We took this out. I want to see what London does and like Asia. We can come up here. Maybe we can respect off this, or we can just displace through it, tap this, and then get bearish signatures. So you get a short off that. We can honestly get longs to the opening gap, which would be pretty cool. Or price can just displace and continue moving through, and we can target these like relative equal highs up here. There's a lot of things we can do. Maybe get a bit of a retrace and manipulation here before just heading up. A lot of things. So just be patient, wait to see what price does, wait to see how price develops, and then we take our trades from there. Don't do any dumb shit. I'm done doing dumb shit. I'm gonna pass his account soon. And once again, I'm still entering really small because I'm trying to desensitize myself from the money. But yeah, good start to the week. Can't lie, very good start to the week. I haven't even made any money, but I'm happy because I saw good entries and I took them. Yeah, so that's that. Free day. See you guys.